First alert of the day.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, Eastern Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, At 10:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles west of Fort Campbell to 9 miles east of 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to locations impacted include Clarksville, Erin, Adams, Cumberland City.
Okay, this one didn't go off good. Alright, severe thunderstorm warning. First one on NOAA Weather Radio of the night.